This is the body work. All the chrome that you don't see on here has been done. It's in the trunk. Motor. Front end. Rest of the body work. Vinyl top is on. Orlando top, pulled all that off. And we back up. Gas lid, all that's in the back. All the chrome from the window, trunk, lights. Got a new piece for that also. It's all in the back. You see, this has all been sanded down. Bondo here has to be redone down below. And this is the only bad spot on the car right there. As you can see, front, all that's good. And I redid all the interior. Now, you can see, it's the back. Get a good shot at it. Back. Headliners, cool. Passenger side. Doors, carpet. Power seats. Console, idiot lights. I have the knobs for the air. It's back in there. Stereo, and not done. And let's see what I got to do here. Then I got the rest right here that's got to be done. Doors, I didn't want to mess with them. I wanted to leave them original. Everything's original. Everything came in brand new carpet. Original floor mats. Lights, everything works. And the motor, original 41,000, and then this one is the one that has the swing away steering wheel. The steering wheel swings on it. Then it goes back. There you go, boss.